What is going on, everybody on YouTube? I'm coming at you guys again with another unboxing video. For today I have an unboxing for the brand 424 On Fairfax. 424 is in the middle of like streetwear and high-end luxury brand. A lot of their items focus more so on like the streetwear end of things, but they do also have a lot of like high-end luxury pieces such as like blazers and coats and things like that. You might have seen the brand 424 on a number of celebrities or influencers such as Party Next Door, The Weeknd, and ASAP Nast in the 424 Coogee collab. So I've gotten items from the company before. I've actually been to their store out on Fairfax. 424 is actually their street address. They carry a number of high-end luxury brands such as like John Elliott and Carrots, to name a few, as well as in the back they have all of their own 424 clothing collections as well. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the packages and see what I got. Okay, so first up we have the 424 Hermes collab, and it's just a pair of red sweats. Let's take a look at the bag right quick. It's just a clear plastic bag with the 424 logo on the front. See, I don't know if they still, yeah, they do. So if it does say at the very bottom at fine print, it says reuse at 424 on Fairfax and save 5% off on your next purchase. Save the planet, save some cash. So I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So yeah, basically I just have a pair of red sweatpants. I've ordered a pair of sweatpants from them before, and those ones were pretty heavy duty. These ones are more of like a lightweight French terry cloth material with the rope drawstrings. Throughout the pant, it features like a bleach / acid wash to the pant. You have a small cuff at the bottom. 424 embroidery here on the left thigh. And it's a very minimal pair of sweatpants. You have really small pockets. The other pair that I got, which was like a black pair and it had zippers, they had deeper pockets. Inside you have the little 424 tag, another 424 tag. So retail on this was $375, but they were on sale on the website, so I got them for about $200. On the inside you have 424 and Hermes on the tag. Here we have another 424 tag, 100% cotton, size medium. On the back we have just one pocket on the right side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the first box that we have. Just go ahead and put these to the side. Okay, so next up we have two shirts. I have this 424 USA shirt in a cream colorway, and the USA writing is the same as the sweatpants, so this was kind of like a fit piece right here. Again, retail on this was like $140, I believe it was, but since it was on sale I got it for $70. The inside we have the 424 tag. I noticed on these it's a little different because in the past they used to have 424. They would write the year at the bottom of the tag. This looks really big. It looks like an oversized t-shirt, so I'm not too sure how this is gonna fit. I got a size large. There goes another 424 tag on the inside and some barcoding on the tag underneath that as well, just for authentic purposes. For the next shirt, the bag's a little bit different. It just says 424 on each side. This shirt is a lot thinner than the other shirt is. This shirt is also a lot smaller. This shirt is the 424 and Shot from Texas collab. I got the F the World tee. You have the Grim Reaper stabbing the world with flames in the graveyard right there. Again, the 424 tag on the inside, the white hang tag, and then more tags on the inside of the shirt. This shirt is also another like off-white colorway, more so with a grayish tint to it. So like I said, 424 is in the middle of streetwear and high-end luxury brand, so the prices are a lot higher than items such as like Supreme. It fits more in the category of like Off-White and Vape. The quality is very much there in terms of like the materials that they use and the cottons that they use, the blends and the prints and all that. So I'm not saying that's justifying the price because of course, you know, these are just screen printed t-shirts and a pair of sweatpants, so they are a little bit overpriced if you buy them for retail. But places such as like Essence, Farfetch, I think even RSVP has a lot of these items still in stock, and some of them are still going for retail retail price, but I bought all 3 of these items on the 424 website, and right now they're having like a huge sale going on. So I got all of these items for below retail. The 2 shirts were like $70 a piece and the pants were $200. So with that being said, I do recommend you guys checking out 424. It is another like upcoming brand. It's very like low key. Not too many people know about it or talk about it here on YouTube. There's really only like a few videos or a few YouTubers that are actually posting content out on 424. Like I know Jacob Starr really does a few unboxings for 424. So yeah, go ahead and check them out and look through what they got. I'm hoping that they do drop more items such as like jeans. I'm trying to get a pair of jeans and their trucker jackets. They used to do this thing where they would have like an army band on the arm of the jean jackets and like a sash hanging back from the back pockets of the jeans. So let's throw all this stuff on and see how it looks and how everything fits. So that pretty much wraps up my video for you guys today. Thank you guys again for tuning into my channel. If you guys liked the video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more 424 content, make sure you guys subscribe. I've been dropping videos lately on Wednesdays, so I'm thinking of doing a schedule of dropping videos every Wednesday on a weekly basis. So let me know if you guys like that idea. Drop a comment down below. Let me know which piece of 424 did you like the most. So with all that being said, I'm out. Peace.